Are you ready to transform your GMC Sierra 1500 into a beast of both style and protection? Rock it! Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bed covers for GMC Sierra 1500. The ultimate shields that combine durability, sleek looks, and all-weather toughness. Whether you're hauling gear, securing tools, or just want that bold truck look, this list is a total game changer. Stay tuned because number 1 will blow your mind. So buckle up, grab your keys, and let's play! Number 5. Flamier Tonneau Cover Soft Roll-Up is a game changer. Perfectly compatible with 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. This cover ensures complete cargo protection. Made with high-strength nylon thread, it resists wind, rain, and wear effortlessly. Installation is simple with included tools, no drilling required. The roll-up design allows full bed access anytime. Its sleek, durable aluminum finish enhances your truck's look instantly. Enjoy hassle-free use with easy opening and secure tailgate locking. Flamier also offers top-notch customer support and a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Lightweight, stylish, and highly functional, it's perfect for daily drivers and truck enthusiasts. This Amazon's Choice product is highly rated for quality and reliability. Upgrade your truck today with this trending, must-have soft roll-up tonneau cover. Number 4. DNA Motoring TTC RU033 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. A perfect blend of style, strength, and convenience for your GMC Sierra or Silverado. This premium cover features durable, scratch-resistant vinyl that keeps your truck bed protected in all weather conditions. With its quick plug-and-play installation, no drilling is needed. Just clamp, roll, and go. It enhances aerodynamics, saving you gas while giving your ride a sleek, modern look. The Velcro sealing system and rubber weather seals ensure a tight, secure fit, keeping your cargo safe and dry. Lightweight yet tough, it's designed to last with anti-curl corners for a flawless appearance. Whether it's rain, snow, or shine, this cover delivers unmatched protection and performance. Upgrade your truck with the DNA Motoring Tonneau Cover, where style meets smart functionality. Number 3. Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a true game changer for your GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. Engineered for a perfect custom fit, this cover blends style, strength, and protection seamlessly. Its tear-resistant black vinyl keeps your gear safe and dry in all weather. The durable 6063 grade aluminum frame ensures long-lasting toughness and prevents water buildup. With its soft roll-up design, you get quick, effortless access to your truck bed anytime. Installation is super simple, just one person, no hassle. Plus, its sleek, low-profile look adds a premium touch to your ride. If you're after maximum durability, water resistance, and modern convenience, this cover delivers it all. An Amazon's Choice product trusted by thousands. Don't miss out on this trending essential for your truck. Number 2. OEDRO Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover. The ultimate game changer for your GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. Engineered for a perfect fit on 2019 to 2025 models, this cover delivers style, strength, and security in one sleek package. Made from heavy-duty, double-layer PVC, it offers UV protection, snowproof, and dustproof performance all year round. The trifold design ensures quick access and effortless installation with no drilling required. Its tailgate lock system transforms your truck bed into a fully secure trunk, keeping your gear safe wherever you go. With powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps, it promises stability and durability. Whether for work, travel, or adventure, OEDRO gives your truck a bold look and top-tier protection. A must-have upgrade for every truck lover. Number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Cover. A true game changer for your GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. This premium tonneau cover blends strength, style, and simplicity. Built with heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum frames. It's made to last through any weather. The dual-coated design ensures maximum protection from dust, rain, and UV rays. Pre-assembled crossbars add stability while allowing quick, full bed access. Installation is a breeze, no drilling needed. Plus, the stainless steel clamps guarantee a tight, secure fit every time. With a sleek tri-fold design, it enhances your truck's look while boosting fuel efficiency. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this cover delivers unbeatable quality and value. If you want durability, easy setup, and modern style, Tiger Auto T3 is the upgrade your truck deserves. Conclusion. So there you have it. The best bed covers for GMC Sierra 1500 that combine style, durability, and ultimate protection for your truck. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and take your Sierra to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more awesome truck gear videos.